Welcome back to my channel, Zero Studio. In this video you will see some design options that might fit what you are looking for or thinking about. Enjoy watching. A sleek and modern home mini bar with a marble countertop, illuminated glass shelves filled with premium liquor bottles, and stylish bar stools with velvet upholstery. Soft LED lighting under the shelves creates a cozy ambience, and a small wine cooler is built into the wooden cabinetry. The setting is in a high-end apartment with a cityscape view through a large window at night. A cozy rustic-style home mini bar made of reclaimed wood, featuring an industrial metal rack for wine glasses hanging above the counter. The shelves are stocked with whiskey bottles, vintage cocktail shakers, and small potted plants. A warm Edison bulb chandelier hangs overhead, casting a golden glow. A sliding barn door leads to the adjacent kitchen. A space-saving mini bar tucked into a stylish living room corner. It has a floating wooden shelf holding a collection of gin and wine bottles, with a small refrigerator below. The bar area is illuminated by a single pendant light, and a minimalist black metal wine rack is mounted on the wall. A cozy lounge chair sits nearby with a side table holding a cocktail glass. A hidden speakeasy-inspired mini bar with dark wooden panels, a brass footrail and an antique mirror reflecting warm lighting. The shelves are lined with vintage whiskey bottles, classic cocktail books and an old-fashioned cash register. A tufted leather armchair and a Persian rug complete the classic 1920s ambience. A stylish outdoor mini bar on a backyard patio, featuring a sleek stone countertop and high stools with rattan seats. The back wall has wooden shelving with tropical-themed cocktail ingredients, and a small beer tap is built into the counter. String lights hang above and a lush green garden surrounds the space. A minimalist Scandinavian-style mini bar with a light oak wood counter and white floating shelves displaying neatly arranged liquor bottles and glasses. A small espresso machine sits beside the bar for cocktail and coffee combinations. The space has large windows with sheer curtains, allowing natural daylight to enhance the clean and airy aesthetic. A dramatic mini bar with black marble countertops, dark wooden cabinetry and soft, ambient lighting. A built-in electric fireplace adds warmth, while gold-accented bar tools and deep emerald green bar stools provide a luxurious feel. A tall glass cabinet displays an impressive collection of spirits and glassware. A futuristic home mini bar equipped with smart technology, featuring an LED-lit glass counter, voice-controlled drink dispensers, and a built-in touchscreen displaying cocktail recipes. The walls have interactive LED panels that change colors, and an automated wine dispenser pours the perfect amount into a crystal glass. A hidden mini bar built into a bookshelf, where a section of books swings open to reveal a small yet elegant bar area. The shelves contain vintage whiskey bottles, classic novels, and a brass cocktail shaker. A warm desk lamp illuminates the intimate space, making it a perfect spot for an evening drink and reading. A lively tiki-style mini bar with bamboo accents, a thatched roof, and colorful cocktail umbrellas. The counter is made of polished wood, decorated with pineapple-shaped mugs and fresh fruit garnishes. A neon sign reading "Tiki Time" glows above, and the shelves are stocked with rum bottles, coconut glasses, and tropical-themed bar accessories. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you can enjoy it and find the design you want. See you in the next video.